The Samajwadi Party government is facing allegations of rampant rigging in the Azamgarh constituency, where party chief Mulayam Singh Yadav is facing a tough fight. After Mulayam's chief opponent, BJP candidate Ramakant Yadav, the All India Ulema Council is raising the red flag. Ulema Council candidate Amir Rashid claimed that the local administration is conspiring at the behest of the Samajwadi Party government to rig the polls. Javed Ansari is with us from Azamgarh. Javed, these are very serious allegations and haven't been heard till now, at least in these elections, even though Nalini Singh was raising the red flag and saying that this has been one of the sad stories about this election which hasn't really been reported.
Yes, indeed it has. And last night, Mr. Ramakant Yadav was making the same allegations. This morning, a couple of minutes ago, we had Mr. Rashidi of the Ulema Council. He almost reverted verbatim what Ramakant Yadav had said last night. Of course, some of it he couldn't substantiate. He wanted us to believe that he had seen and met Mr. Ram Gopal Yadav yesterday at the Azamgarh railway station. It now transpires Mr. Ram Gopal Yadav didn't visit this area at all. But that's par for the course. This is election time and everything is, like I said, par for the course. Having said that, I'd also, sitting in our television studios or in our rooms in Delhi, you make certain assumptions, make certain strategies, but the ground situation is totally different. There is no denying the fact that the Mulayam Singh versus Ramakant Yadav fight has failed to quicken the pulse quicken the pulse in the manner in which the Narendra Modi versus Kejriwal versus Ajay Rai fight is concerned. And if Mulayam Singh Yadav's idea or strategy was that if he'd contest from here, he'd have a ripple down effect in the rest of Purvanchal, well, it's not exactly playing out to script. And I'm not so sure if Mr. Narendra Modi's grand strategy of contesting from Varanasi so that he could influence eastern UP and parts of neighboring Bihar would also play out to script. So the ground situation here is a lot different from what it appears from Delhi.
Okay, Professor Shiv Vishwanath, very quickly, is this a sign of a desperate Samajwadi Party, and Mulayam Singh Yadav, who's fighting one of his toughest political battles, trying to get votes, or is it just political rhetoric and, making charges and allegations by the opposition?
So there is a bit of suspicion, there is a bit of paranoia, but for Mulayam to rig a few seats is on par for the course. So I would, in fact, expect it, I'd be worried about it, and I would look at it much more carefully. Because some of these places like UP and Bihar have traditions of booth rigging, booth capturing. I don't think just an alert election commission can solve the problem. We have to take advanced measures. That precautionary sense has to be a part of this electoral politics.